Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I get this slick back ponytail without using any gel. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Okay y'all, so my hair is freshly washed. I don't have any product in it. I like to go ahead and make sure my hair is detangled and apply a leave-in conditioner. Today I'll be using the 3-in-1 conditioner. This is from Bumble and Bumble or BB Curl. And I really like how this smells. It just smells so refreshing, and I love when my hair has a nice scent to it. You know, whenever you give someone a hug that you know is COVID free and you know, you get close to them or whatever and they can smell your hair. I feel like that's almost like when you have a nice perfume on, like that's something that stands out to people. So I'm just applying this to mainly the ends of my hair. And this is a 3-in-1 conditioner, so it can be used as a co-wash, as a rinse out conditioner, or a leave-in conditioner. So I'm using it as a leave-in today. I'm gonna go ahead and use my shampoo brush to detangle my hair, which it should be fairly detangled already. But you just want to start from your ends and work your way up. And section it out so it's easier. You saw me trying to do one big section versus sectioning it out. When you section it out, you can detangle it much easier. For those who have really thick hair or type 4 hair, you're gonna want to section your hair just how we're sectioning it to detangle it. You're gonna want to section it to actually put it in a ponytail so you can get it as sleek as possible. My hair is fairly fine, so I think I'll be able to do it in like one. But yeah, see, I'm just making sure it's fully detangled. Boom. My hair is damp right now. Not soaking wet, just damp. You could do this on soaking wet hair. Your hair is just gonna be wet. Like, it's gonna take longer for your hair to dry, and it may start dripping once you put it in a ponytail. So that's why I like doing it on damp hair or towel dried hair or shirt dried hair, I guess. And this is like a nice and easy quick hairstyle after wash day when you don't feel like actually styling your hair but you still want to look cute. Okay, so now that my hair is fairly detangled, I'm gonna go ahead and add an oil, and this is just a mixture of oils that my friend suggested that I put together. Kiera, if you're watching, shout out to you, because I've been using this oil like so often. But you can use any oil that you have. A good one that I do recommend is the African Pride Moisture Miracle. This is their 5 essential oils. You can use that. This one smells really good. This one has peppermint in it, so it also smells really good. So I'm just gonna put a little on my scalp like this. And then I do just put a little bit in my hand and like run it down the shafts of my hair just to add a little bit of sheen. Okay, so now that we have everything kind of locked and loaded and sealed in, I am going to make sure my part is fairly straight. Now you can also do this with a side part or whatever part you prefer. And so now I'm just like kind of smoothing all of my hair back towards the back of my head. So this side, I'm gonna just clip. Which if you have thicker hair, you can go ahead and start doing this section by section to get your hair all the way to the back. Now at this point, if you want to pull out any tendrils or your like side curls, I would recommend going ahead and doing that. we're gonna do it today because why not? There we go. So those are our little tendrils. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of leave-in conditioner on it so the curls can clump together. And so now that we have those pulled out, which is not a lot of hair, they're just a little bit, we're gonna start smoothing our hair. And again, for people who have thicker hair or type 4 hair, I would recommend doing this in sections so you can get it as sleek as possible. But to start the show today, we are not using any gel. This is the Afro Sheen Slick Back Cream Styler. And y'all, when I tell y'all, this has been the key to my slick backs for the past few, since I got this. I've been using this faithfully for my slick backs, and there is like no flyaways. So I'm just getting a nice little bit, and I like to rub it in between my hands like that. A little goes a long way. And I just literally put it all on top of my hair. And when you apply it, it is white, as you can see, but then it dries down. So don't be nervous because it's white. It will dry down. So I'm just kind of putting that on top, and then I'm gonna take just a boar's brush or a hard bristle brush and start brushing my hair down. And so sometimes I do like to go in with my shampoo brush to make sure all my curls are curling together. And then after that, I'm able to smooth it with the brush. So y'all see how smooth and slick that is? So now we're about to do the other side. Once you make sure your hair is flat and slicked back, look at that sheen. Then I go ahead and put on a hairband. And you don't want to do this too tight because you don't want to kind of break your hair off where the ponytail band is, but you want it tight enough where it stays sleek. Sleek, where it stays sleek, okay? And so now I want to go ahead and brush out my baby hairs. And you can also do this if you have longer baby hairs. You can pull this out before you put it back, just so you can kind of, so you don't have to fight to pull out your baby hairs. Okay, so we're gonna leave that like that right now. Before we finish with the ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle it just some more, because as you can see, when you brush it, it like gets fluffy again, but because you're brushing it with a different brush. So that helps me clump my curls back up. And you can leave your ponytail just kind of hanging like that. But for me, as for me in my house, I like to kind of elongate my ponytail and band it. Sometimes I'll wear it. Lately, I've been wearing it banded until it dries. And all that means is you're putting a hairband around your hair to stretch it out. So the curls are still there, like on the inside. As you work the hairband out, it's just keeping your curls elongated and stretched. So like, this is how elongated my ponytail will be once I take the bands off, once my hair is dry, versus if I would have left it out and let my hair air dry, then it would have shrunken and my ponytail probably would have been like this short versus this long. So that is what the ponytail looks like. I'll show y'all the back. So that is what the ponytail looks like. Now we're gonna get into these edges. So this does work well to help kind of mold your baby hairs, but I wouldn't say it's an extreme hold, but just to kind of start working with them, I am gonna use just a little bit of this. This is absolutely unnecessary. I'm just doing it so I can kind of make sure my baby hairs are laid the way that I want them to be laid. And so I'm just gonna take my edge brush and start kind of figuring out how I want to lay my baby hairs. So that's my first swoop. And so it's helping me mold it because it is slicking my hair down. But if you're just like on the go and you're not about to be doing anything like crazy, you can definitely use the slick back as an edge gel. But I will say it doesn't like hold all day long. So if you're looking for that extreme hold, I'm gonna show you guys another product that I like to use that works very well. See how it's helping me mold my edges and they're laid. In the front, I typically like to do my little bullhorn swoops that go inward because it helps me disguise my widow's peak. So that's why I do these, if anyone was wondering. And it's different. Alright, so I have my baby hairs molded, and like I said, if you're not going to be doing anything crazy, this will like hold it down just for looks or whatever. But for like extreme all day wear, even workout wear, I like to use my Africa's Best Honey and Castor Edge Gel. And y'all, I be using this all the time, and it keeps my edges laid. Whenever y'all see my edges and it look like I done sprayed some starch on them things, it's cause I'm using this edge gel. I love it so much, and a little goes a long way with it. So now I'm just doing the same thing that I did, but just kind of like following up with that Africa's Best gel. And then I like to take my regular brush and just kind of make sure all of those other flyaways are tucked in. You can add a little bit more product if you want to, just for like a little extra sealant. And then for anyone who wants like a little bit of extra coverage on your edges to make them like really pop, like say if you're doing a photo shoot or, you know, taking pictures and you really want your edges to look defined, you can use a colored edge gel. This is the 24-hour Edge Tamer by Eben New York. And I'm just gonna put just a little bit because this is black, so it's dark, and you want to make sure you kind of brush this out so you're not looking like my hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. But your edges are finna look a little bit like, you know, they've been laid with Gorilla Glue, because this thing lay your edges so good. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna put my headscarf on. I'm gonna go do my makeup, and I will be back. All right, y'all, so I finished doing my makeup. This look is bomb.com, so make sure y'all check it out on my channel. Subscribe so y'all don't miss the upload. But yes, this is what my hair is looking like. It is nice, and look at the shine. It's so shiny. It looks very nice. It's slick, no flyaways, baby hair is laid, tendrils tendon, okay, ponytail thinging back there, you know what I'm saying? I love it. This is a go-to, hands down. Like, I can wear my hair like this for a week straight after a wash day. This is a great protective style because you can like wash your hair after wash day instead of having to like go through section by section and, you know, shingle your hair for a wash and go, or twist it for a twist out, and do all this stuff manipulating to it. All you have to do is put it in this sleek back ponytail, and you can wear this all week long. You can start out like this. Once your hair dries, you can take the hair bands out and it be like a loose ponytail. You can even wrap some tracks around this and give yourself a long ponytail, or you can even like tuck it under and do a bun. So it's definitely versatile, definitely a protective style, and definitely a quick and easy natural hairstyle. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all slick backs looking like. Definitely try out these products for sure. The Afro Sheen Slick Back Cream Styler, they did it with this one, and I ain't had to use no gel. Period. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so very much. Make sure you let me know in the comment section what other natural hair videos you guys are interested in seeing. If you've watched this far and you're not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? We're gonna have to square up. I'm just playing. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe. While you're down there, make sure you turn on your post notifications and like this video so that I know you enjoy natural hair videos from Slim Reshae. So without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye guys.
It's Slim Reshae, natural.